I need to go into the port of Talibon because Janjel need to go in Cebu because basketball player, and we need a championship there in Cebu, guys. So Janjel go and I will send it there in Talibon. It's rainy, guys. It's rainy. I don't know if I wearing shoes. Just slipper, but I'm scared. I need to wear shoes anyway. I'm crying. So I need to drive with Motica because it's rainy. It's rainy, guys. It's so rainy. So Jesus' name. So here you go.
Beli ni nama. Nah, bakal yung Hari ko. Eto.
So Janjel is there. Sorry. Generally, so rainy, guys. I need to go, guys, because Janjel is here. So they are meet for her friend because need to go in Cebu for championship. Janjel is there. This one, the big ship going to Cebu and Teton also. So I need to go there. I need to back my home because it's so rainy. It's rainy, guys. Now I'm go home. I finished Janjel to send it. So just me only my home. So Janjel is basketball there in Cebu. Championship. Yes. Hopefully they are winner. Hopefully, guys. So I pray for Janjel with her friend, guys. Just only me, my mom. It's raining. we are driving. It's raining. Muddy my road. It's so muddy, guys. This is my road. It's very muddy. Muddy. Boom. It's very close to my house. So close it. So muddy. It's jumping the road. It's jumping slowly. It's jumping. So finally we are here, my home. It's raining.